Hey guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we are going to be building one of the most famous and infamous planes in aviation, the Concord. Now, the reason I said infamous was because there was a really bad crash, with no survivors after it had taken off with an engine failure, and it was very bad, and the planes weren't used anymore after that, but yeah. So, rest in peace to those people who died that day, but yeah. So, I built a little something to go off of because there are two chairs here, and then the aisle here, like two chairs on each side. I memorized that part. The cockpit is going to be over here. I did the galley in the first row. That's basically all I did though, so because I want to build this thing with you guys, honestly. So let's get into this. Let's work on the cockpit and the nose section first. Now, I'm going to do that, and then that, and then I'm going to do that, and then, oh no, not that, and then, no, not that, that. Let's try that. Okay, actually, would this go on it? This might look really good. Okay, this has to be a full block here then. I'm gonna have full blocks, then some slabs underneath. That there. That there. So that looks pretty good, I feel. Let's just leave that like that there. Then we're gonna put it up a little bit, and now we have full blocks there. And yeah, let's put a slab here and a slab here. And then, oh, and also guys, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any ideas you have for future videos in the comment section down below. It will really help out, and yeah, so please like and subscribe. So let's continue this. Do that, and then that, and then that. Then let's put the windows tinted. Let's put them not like that, like this. Then we're gonna have some slabs here. Does that look good though? No, I think it could look better like that. Yeah, it looks way better like that actually, so let's keep it like that. Then have that there. How else can I improve this? Maybe I could do, whoops, that's a stair block. I like this actually. Let's see this here. Now, let's build this. Let's put the walls of the cockpit in now. And yeah, so that looks pretty good, don't you think, guys? At least I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna put that there, and then that there, and that there. And now, will the lever go on this though? No, it won't. Okay. Sorry guys. Let's put the pilot seats there. Then the flight engineer will sit back here. And let's put the wall with all the buttons and levers on it. Oh wait, but I do need the table as well. Let's put this block and then a table. The flight engineer's seat. Or just the flight engineer seat, actually. Let's just put that there. There we go. Now let's put this like that. I think I'm actually going to do this. That looks pretty good. There we go. And then let's put like that there, and then that Then we are going to put it like that. There. We're gonna have these here like that. That actually looks pretty remarkably good for my builds at least. Let's continue with the roof of the cockpit here. Then let's have just like that there. Ah! It fell off the plane. Oh gosh, okay. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. So now you have the cockpit area here. Might put another window like that. There, and then another one. Oh wait, no, is that there on the other side? Huh, because there is a slab there. Okay, and another window there like that. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Yeah, so I really like that actually. Now we need to work on the lighting. Trying to get in here, it's so hard. I don't know why I just don't go around like this. I guess I should. There we go. Now we need some circuit breakers over here, I guess. Okay, there we go. Now we need to work on the lighting. I think I'm going to use end rods like that for it, though. Let's see. That. Oh, yeah, that looks actually pretty good. Whoops. I did not mean to do that, guys. I am sorry. That there. Okay, so now we have some lighting in the cockpit. Let's move on to the cabin now. So, you need flight attendant carts somewhere. I'm gonna have like a mine cart with a chest in it, like here. Mine cart with chest. Then it goes on the rails. Oh, this is actually kind of cool. How did I never think of doing this before? Oh, that was almost very bad. So there we have the flight attendant cart. Let's put some food in here. Let's put some nothing. Okay, steak. Just a stack of that in there. I'm just doing this for fun, guys. You don't have to put stuff in the chest, but let's put a Sprite quote in there. And I'll do that off camera. But let's set time to day so you can see this better. Time set day. Okay, so let's continue the cabin back. Still have to find out how many rows are in the plane, but I'll Google that later. It just has to look pretty good. That's far enough for now. And now we need this. Let's build the cabin back a little bit. Ion stuff. Then this part here. Then that part there. And I'll tell you how long the plane is in the description if you want, how many blocks if you want to know. But if you want to build it like by yourself or something. But this is just my design for it that I'm making up on the spot right now for you guys. Yeah, but I have wanted to do this build for a very long time and I'm really excited about it. And make sure to like and subscribe if you like the video, and comment any ideas for future videos in the comment section down below. It'll really help out, guys, so make sure to smash that like button. Let's now put windows like this here. Now let's do the same thing on this side. This side. And if you want to see me do like other kinds of aircraft, please comment the aircraft you want me to build in the comment section down below. Because I'll happily build them for you guys because I know a lot about airplanes and stuff. And if you want to do like Microsoft Flight Simulator and stuff in future videos, I'll probably do that. So, make sure to like and subscribe as well. Red bins here. Okay, now I need this here. How am I gonna do the lights? Oh, I know how. Okay. Should I? Think I'm gonna do this real quick for the lights down the aisle so it looks better. Yeah. So now I need this chest, right? I forgot where I put that. My inventory there. Let's do the overhead bins here real quick. And then other side. Now we need to use slabs. This is gonna be tough not to open the chest, so I'm gonna go pretty slowly here. Sorry about the slowness, guys. There we go. Okay, now I need to put these quartz blocks here. Yeah, go. Now, the top portion. There. Okay, now let's see how the flight attendant cart works. So, push it down. Stop. Oh shoot, I forgot I had that stuff in it. Whoops, guys. Well, that's an issue. Now, let's do button. Oh no, that won't look that good. Let's have aisle lights now. Let's do those. Oh wait, that might not work. Oh wait, I know how I'm gonna do it. Let's do it like that. Yeah, comment down below if you have any other ideas for the lights in the cabin, guys, because this is just off the top of my head here. Make sure to comment them in the comment section down below. But I'd say we got a fair amount done in 12 minutes, because that's now 13, because that's how long the video's been recording. Yeah, I'd say we got a fair amount done so far. Now I have to Google something. I'll do it off camera though. After the video. So yeah, well, maybe. I might not need to. I'll just do it so it looks good, but if you want to build it like exact, I'll tell you how many rows there are in the plane. Probably in the comment section down below too, so, or in the description. Yeah, so yeah, there we go. There we go. Floor there. Floor. More of the floor. The last bit of the floor. I'm like clicking so loudly. I think you might be able to hear me hitting the keys and like clicking and stuff. So my mic is like so sensitive. I'm sorry if you hear any background noise, guys. So let's put this, the lower walls, and then more of the lower walls. Now the window parts, like the frame, like around the window and stuff. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now I need to put the seats in. Comment down below if I should do a first class section. That would be pretty cool, I think. But I'm not sure if the Concord had first class, so if you know, please comment in the comment section down below if it did or didn't. Because I don't know. Because I think it would look cool with the first class like that, but with quartz stairs kind of like that. That's what I was thinking would look cool for first class, and then like little trap door or something here. No, not like that, but like tray table, stuff like that. That's like what I was thinking, kind of. So if you comment down below if you want to see that on this plane in the future. Yeah. And if you want, like, just comment down any ideas to build in the comment section, guys. Like, yeah, that would be cool. There we go. Now we need to do the overhead bins and stuff. Let's get out of that. Here we go. Here we go. Go. Okay, like that. There we go. Now I need to put the slabs on top of that there. Okay, and then the quartz blocks. Ah, whoops. Let's put these on each side. I'm clicking so hard. Now I need to put the chest up here. Here we go. Now, that's actually getting pretty long. Wow. Okay. Yeah, it's kind of glad to finally be building this plane at last. I wanted to do it for so long, guys. But I just got this YouTube channel like a month ago, and it just popped back into my mind. I should probably make a video about this so other people know how to build it, because it's going to turn out looking pretty cool, I feel. I think. Yeah. So, also comment down below if you want to see like any other craft built, and comment them like which ones you want to see built, because it'll really help out my idea span. If you want like any liveries, like you know, like airline logos and like paint jobs on them, that's I think what that means. So yeah, here we go. So we have this so far. Now I think I need another. I'm gonna have to pull up a picture afterward, and I might have to fix some of this because there are multiple doors usually. So yeah, so I'll fix that. Actually, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna try to figure that out. Yeah. Okay, I'm back, guys. Sorry, to find my phone real quick. Let's see how. Sorry, I'm out of breath. I just sprinted up all the stairs. How? Let's go with pictures of the Concord. Let's see, how many doors are there? I can't see, that's not a really clear picture. So one there. So, okay, so let's start the wings here. How about, guys? Let's put some slabs like that, and then I'm going to need to expand it a little. If you want to see how this looks at night, there you go. Wait, I forgot something. Forgot the light that has to be here. So let me get beacon real quick for you guys for the light. Okay, well there's the light there, guys. Well, actually I might do it here. See that, guys? It's a light. Okay, now I need to focus. How am I gonna... I'm gonna have a little light down here too. No, not like that, but like that. There we go. So there, you have the lights and stuff there for you guys. And then, let's continue this plane. Let's continue this. So, think about this much more, and then there's a galley with some flight attendants and an emergency exit onto the wing. So, let's do this. Guys, whoops, wrong block. Or isn't Enrod even considered a block? I'll have to fact check that. Yeah. I'm not entirely sure. Okay. Well, there you go. There's some windows, and then I'm just gonna put another window there, but that's probably gonna change. Just have to see how the seats work out here. Let's see. Now I need the overhead bins up. First, let's do the wall there. Here like that. And now the chests, which are the overhead bins. Like that. Okay. Now. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. Let's now work on the roof and then the interior. Let's work on the interior now, guys. And I forgot the right wall. How could I forget a whole wall? I have no clue. Yeah. So, let's put the windows there for you guys, and then let's have the bottom and the chairs finally, or the seats. Okay, there we go. Now let's continue these. Oh, I accidentally broke the window. That's not good. I cannot place these blocks. Okay. What am I doing? There we go. So now let's do this wing. Where did it... Oh, wait, I forgot this. Forgot that. So it starts here. We go around on that block. What height does it start at? Right there? Okay. Let's see. Hey, I got the height right. So, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's gotta start. I think next I'm gonna have the galley, or one of the galleys. Did I forget the bottom? Oh no, I didn't, thank goodness. Sorry about that, guys. My voice crack, I've been awake for so long. There we go. Wait, actually I need this block again. So we're gonna have that, and then the tinted glass here, like that. Then there, there, and there. I think that's how I did it. Yeah, that's how I did it. Okay, so well, I don't think I did it there. I think I just did that for those. But yeah, let's work on the galley a little bit now. So that's gonna be the door area there. So I'm gonna need to do the bottom there, then put the iron door. And oh shoot, the wing is too high. I'm gonna have to fix that real quick. Yeah, I guess it's too high on both sides. 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Then I'm going to need to fix this side too, guys. Sorry about that. Technical difficulties here. Let's fix this. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. What am I doing? 3, and then why did I grab a chest? There we go. Go. Now I need to do this. Then the door here. There. There. And there. So now let's do the light again real quick. Here. We have to continue it back. Whoops. Like that. There we go. So now we have that. Now we can put the aisle or the rails in the aisle here. And then we need to have the flight attendant seats like back here, I think. So I'm going to make this one special though. Powered rail. Because it's an exit here. Should probably do that up here too. So I'm going to do that real quick. Oh, but they don't turn. Shoot. A powered rail here. Or, I don't know what I'll do up there. Yeah. So let's continue to work on this galley now, shall we? Let me put up wrong block. Technical difficulties. 1 moment, please. Okay, there we go. And now we need this, whatever it's called, the back wall of the galley. There we go. There we go. Now I need slabs. I already have them in my hotbar. Would you look at that? Okay, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now I need the buttons here. And the button outside there. Then I need the interior buttons if I can just get level with this. There and there. Now I need the flight attendant seats. There and there. And a chest. And another flight attendant cart. Let's just put it here. How am I gonna do this now? Yeah, no powered rails, we're not doing that today. Sorry about that, guys. We're gonna put it right. Wrong way. Okay. So let's try to figure this out, guys. Okay. That does not look secure at all. Let's just have it there and then, or no, there'll just be one, I guess. I thought they used to have intersection rails. Guess not anymore. At one point I thought they did. I guess they don't, or that was like an alpha version, I thought. Because I played back then, I'm pretty sure, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that was like when I played way back. So I've been playing Minecraft for a while, guys. Let's just, oh, I was forgetting that. Oh, okay. It's just so hard to see. Oh, okay. There we go. Oops, there we go. Now I need to extend this back a little bit more. Oh wait, the wing, right. Now, I think I'm going to start to curve it out this way. Like the Delta wing. If you don't know what that is, it's the kind of wing the Concords have where it's like curved almost. Just a fun fact for you guys. So that one's 1, and then, okay. So, there, and then, hopefully the wings look cool, because I've never done one of the delta wing things before, so it's gonna be cool. Now I need this, so we're gonna do that, and then that, or that. No, let's just do a stair, like, wrong way. That, and then let's have a slab here. That. Does that even look good? Oh, wait. Slab. So I need the engine to be like, 2, 3. Now I need to extend it to the right a little bit. These are 2 little entrances for the air. That doesn't line up with the wing though. So I'm gonna have to move it back a little, I think, actually. So let's move it back to there. Let's see, would that work? No, it wouldn't actually. So do I have to move it all the way back to there? I'm not sure if this will work though, even. So let's see, will it work? Hope it works. I'm sorry for any background noise, guys. And also, this is gonna be a pretty long video, so just so you guys know that. Now I need this in here, then there, like that, that there, or I'll just have it go inside, and then black concrete. So it looks like dark in there, like that. Then I'm going to need to cover this up here. Okay, there we go. Shit, is that one too much? Or, okay, that actually looks pretty good. Now, yeah, I'd say that looks pretty good. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually. So let me just extend this back a little bit. I'm gonna finish the engine here, guys. You can just do whatever you want for the engine. You don't have to use this stuff here. Here, the black concrete, you don't have to use that. You can use whatever you want. Even make the engine like detailed and working and stuff. It's just I do that for decoration usually, so yeah. And also I just feel it looks better because the engines, that part was really dark. Like darker than the exterior, which was still dark, but yeah. So just so you know, guys, you don't have to do that. And then the back of the engines had, I think, something like that. Here, let me put, what should I put in here? Magma blocks might look cool. Or would these look cool or not? No. Let me use orange something. Orange concrete. Because like the fire is coming out of the back and stuff, so it'll look cool. Let me just make it look a little more realistic there. I need a slab on top and on the bottom there. That. And I'll just get rid of these and do that there. Yeah, that looks cool. So now I have to do the wing here. Let me do that real quick, guys. Let's work on the delta wing. Okay, I'd say that's a little small, but let me see if I can make that any bigger here. I think there's a little bit here that like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good actually, I feel. Now, let's continue this after I fill off this in here. Let's continue, guys. So comment down below what you think so far. I think it looks pretty good, but I want your opinion too, and things that I could work on to make it look better. And also, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any ideas for future videos, like future kinds of aircraft to build and stuff in the comment section down below. Make sure to comment that, it'll help out, and then I'll have some stuff from you guys and stuff. And if you don't want me to mention your username on here, please tell me that in the comment section. Well, never mind. I won't. I'll just not give you any credit if you don't want it. So I'd say that looks pretty good. Now I need green stained glass and glowstone. Need glowstone there. Yeah. So that looks pretty cool. Pretty sure, yeah, green is on the right side. Yeah, I was right about that, thank goodness. Had to Google it last time when I built that private jet up there. And also, if you haven't seen that video, make sure to watch it. It's called We Built a Private Jet. It's on my channel, so make sure to search up my channel and watch it. And if you want to, I'll put it in the comment section. So, let me do this real quick. Why do I keep placing the end rods? I have no clue why I keep doing that. It's like, I don't know, guys. It's just, I don't mean to place those end rods. I hit the wrong key. And I placed them inside of this stuff here. The quartz. Sorry about that, guys. Now, let's do some more of the cabin here now, shall we? There we go. Might be another door after the wing, though. I'm not sure about that. But there might be. But I'm not positive, so I'm not going to make any definitive statements yet. I'll have to look at that picture I found on my phone again, honestly. So I have not memorized where all the exits are on this plane yet. Yeah. Just kind of know. So it is a really cool plane. So let's put some more seats here. That, and yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we need to do the overhead bins real quick. Wait, I need to get rid of the seats and put this stuff in there. Then some slabs here, slabs there, here. Now I need to put this like that there. And the same thing here. That. There we go. Okay, now let's continue to work on the roof here, and I keep breaking those slabs. Oh my gosh, why do I keep doing that? And now let's put a chest here. Or not chest, overhead bins. Oh, I keep skipping one. I don't know why, honestly. There we go. Okay, now we need to put this. I need to put the slabs in, so you can still open them and stuff, which will still be pretty cool. Yeah. Yeah. So there we go. There. And now I need the smooth quartz block. If you don't, I don't know the difference between smooth quartz blocks and quartz blocks, but if you do, make sure to comment that because I'm really curious about it. Go. Okay, now we need to, what was I gonna do? Right, the aisle. We have to do the aisle here too. So yeah, there we go. And then, oh right, the wing on this side. So this one goes out one. Yeah, and then it goes out one by one from there. Okay, all the way to the end. Okay, right. So, let's do this. Same thing here. Now, go. There, I did not mean to break that. Whoops. And there. And then we will need to do this for a while. Slowly but surely. Slow but steady wins the race here, guys. It's gonna take a while, honestly. Wish I knew how to speed it up for you guys. I'm still exploring that editing software I found. If you know anything about the editing software, I'm not sure if I told you guys what it is and like how to fast forward, like no, not fast forward, but like make it go extra fast. I'll make sure to comment that because I'm not sure exactly. I'm gonna need to put the glowstone here like that, and then I need red stained glass like that. Okay, so there we go. So that actually looks pretty good. Comment down below if you think this looks good so far, guys. I think it looks pretty good. Now let me just see if there's a door behind the no, I can't see in that picture, darn it. There's one there, and one on the back. Oh, it goes all the way to the back. So that would be the back. So this is the tail section right here, guys. So I need to fix some stuff here. Sorry, guys. Just realized this is the very tail of the plane. Sorry about that, guys. Now, I need to get rid of these two, actually. There we go. Now, I'm going to need this, I believe. That would be good. And then, oh yeah. And then I'm going to need tinted glass. Whoops. And there. There we go. And I need quartz like that there. 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 And there. I just realized that it's not like that. Now, I need the iron door again. And here we go. I accidentally threw it. Why do I always throw that stuff? Oh my gosh, man. Okay, then this one here. Oops, I did not mean to put that on the window. There we go. There, and there. And then I need the, flight attendant seats, I believe. Back there, yeah, this way. Like this. So I'm gonna build this out one more. Like that, guys. It's a very tip, so I'm gonna have this like that. Or yeah, I don't need that actually. I don't need this extra wing part actually. I think this will look just fine out that extra part there. Now, let's do this, that, and that. Then I need this. This is the last bit other than... Oh, I didn't do the engine on the left wing. That's going to be an issue. Let's worry about that later. Do it with you guys still here, obviously. So let's do this. So I need to do the restrooms on the plane, though. I'm not sure I'm gonna do that. Might know, actually. Actually, might know. Okay. So then I'm gonna have one restroom because there's definitely not room for two. Button there. Then I need the flight attendant seats here and there. Then second cart or flight attendant cart right there. Actually, it's gonna be like this, like the front there, like that, and then I need. Why can't I grab the chest? The chest like that there. Then I need buttons to open the doors there. Okay, and to get back in, I just realized I forgot the light. Like that there. Now I need the floor. Let's do the floor right here, guys. Then let's finish up the tail section. Start finishing up. I need that, no. Yeah, and then we start bringing the tail section back up here. Okay, sorry about that, guys. Kind of quiet there. There we go. There we go. Then need to start to do this here. That there. Then I'm gonna need to do that. I'm gonna need, oh, I actually do need that, yeah. Let's do this, then there. Now I'm gonna try to just look a little bit better here. Some slabs. Why is that there no block there? Makes absolutely no sense, but okay. Now I need to do that, 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 that. Okay. So So now I need to do there, 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 there. Then I need that, that. Okay. Sorry, I'm just really focused, guys. How am I gonna do this? That, and why is there no block there? That, obviously, and then one there. I need to do this here. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I forgot this part. Okay. That looks pretty good. Now, I'm gonna need to do that, that, and that. Then I need and there. Then we have that there. Then finally we have the left engine. So this is like, how many from that? Two blocks. That block there. That starts two there. Okay. Then we need that, and then this, that, that there. Okay. And I need there. I cannot place the right blocks. Oh my gosh, man. Let's do this, and then we're going to, wait, what? Oh, I have to add one more, right? Let's do this, that, and that. How many blocks long is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to need to this part here, this side. And we're going to need to add the middle here. I'm gonna need, wait. Okay. Okay. Now I'm gonna actually need, oh, I guess that is it then. There. Then I need that black concrete I had to put like, oh, let me fill that in actually. Put like that, and then like that. There we go, guys. We have our other engine now. And then, let's look at the Concord we built. Oh wait, almost done. Got the bathroom. Sorry about that, guys. We kind of forgot important part. Now I need where sink will be like that, and then I need some stuff over here like that, and then a shelf like that. And I need a lever, which I have there. How convenient. Then I need a lever there. This. just like that. Okay, and yeah, then I'm gonna have some chests here. Or I'll just do a wall. That's fine. Just a wall here. Let's fill this part in. Okay, there we go. Okay, well, let's take a tour of Concord we built. So, let's go. So you come in the back, you have the bathroom here, or the laboratory, that's what they call them on planes. Then you have the rear galley with the flight attendant car that's been pushed out, I think by me. I'll push it back. It has a chest in it, and then you have the seats back here. You have the second galley. You have the overhead bins the whole way and some lights. You have 2 emergency exits here. And then you have more seats in an aisle. And then the forward galley with the cockpit, the flight engineer, the circuit breakers, and then the 2 pilots. The pilot and the first officer. Then on the outside, you have the 2 engines under the wings. You have the nose that supposedly flips down. You have the lights, which I just realized I have not finished yet. You have the tail fin there. And then you have the wings, the unique Delta wings. So, let's put this beacon up on here, and now on here. So now we have the full plane, guys. Also, make sure to like and subscribe and comment any ideas for future videos in the comment section down below. And thanks for watching. Bye, guys.